Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, 2024. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will make price predictions for the following 3 stocks: MicroAlgo, SoundHound AI, and SOFI Technologies. Yesterday the market index performed well, but today some sectors may perform poorly. These 3 stocks will also be affected by the overall market and the sectors they are in. Next, let's try to predict the short-term price trend of these 3 stocks. MicroAlgo. The ticker symbol is MLGO. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. On July 11th, the stock price rose sharply and strongly to $5.85 in the morning trading and then fell sharply. We can see that this action generated a lot of trading volume. There is no doubt that a lot of capital cashed out at this position. Then the stock price continued to fall sharply, and the bulls had almost no power to fight back. On July 19th and 22nd, the stock experienced a roller coaster market, which is a negative bearish signal. In the morning trading of the 19th, the stock price fell to $2.17 and then began to rebound, but in the morning trading of the 22nd, the stock price rose sharply and then fell back. At the current relatively high level, some large trading volumes were generated, indicating that large capital has withdrawn from the market from here. The stock price fell by more than 10% on that day, and the rebound of the stock price was weak and the trading volume was not large at the end of the trading day, indicating that no large funds had entered the market to take over the chips at the end of the trading day. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. The stock is currently in a downward trend. On Monday, the stock did not continue the rebound trend of the previous trading day, but fell sharply by 10%, indicating that the short-selling force in the market still dominates the market price, and this force does not seem to have shown signs of reversal. But we also see that the trading volume of the stock in the last 4 trading days has increased compared with the previous one, but the market price has not yet rebounded effectively, so I think the stock may fall further next, and the target price I see is $1.55. SoundHound AI. The ticker symbol is SOUN. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. On July 12th, the market strongly pushed the stock price up to $6.45 and generated a large trading volume. However, the next day, the stock price began to fall rapidly at $6.45 and also generated a large trading volume. There is no doubt that some big capital cashed out at a high price by raising the stock price. On July 22nd, it seems that the market has ushered in a turnaround. We can see that the stock price fell to $4.73 during the trading session and then rebounded strongly. The corresponding position of this price is July 10th, when the stock price began to rise strongly and there was a large trading volume. This should be the position where big capital entered the market, so it should be a strong support position. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. On Monday, the stock's trading volume and turnover rate were higher than the previous trading day, and the stock price rose by 1% at the close. This was generated in a V-shaped trend, indicating that the market does not want the stock price to fall further. Technically, I think the stock is not currently in a downward trend, but a normal price correction. The corresponding position of Monday's closing price provides a strong support for that day, so I think the stock price is likely to rebound here. So what is the target price? I'm currently looking at $6.14. The previous market generated a lot of volume at this position, and it will become a key resistance position again. SoFi Technologies. The ticker symbol is SOFI. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. On July 9th, the stock price took off from $6.15 and started a small bull market. However, the stock price began to pull back on July 18th. We can see that the market generated a large volume in the morning of the 18th. Some capital should have withdrawn from the market, but this did not lead to a continuous decline in the stock price. In the morning of July 19th and 22nd, the stock price fell to the $72.90 area and began to rebound. The corresponding position of this price was the morning of July 15th. The stock price was strongly pushed up by the market and generated a lot of volume, so it should be a strong support position. The stock price continued to rise at the end of the 22nd, indicating that the bulls still dominate the market price. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. From late June to early July, the stock was in a sideways adjustment phase, and a lot of bullish forces accumulated here, so the stock price rose strongly after the consolidation. We can see that its trading volume has also increased significantly. The trading volume in the last 2 days is not large, so it cannot prove that the forces that pushed the stock price up before have exited the market. I think the stock is currently in a normal price correction phase, and the stock price may rise further. For the target price, I currently see $8.36, which means that the stock has about 11% potential upside based on the current stock price. Okay, guys, these are all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and click the subscribe button. If you have different ideas, please leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next video.